Sparks fly, wood burns deep, screaming machines never sleep. Got the grain, feel the heat, dust and sweat where wood and metal meet. Hands strong, grip the edge, blueprints dancing in my head. Raw power, no forgiveness, perfection hides in harsh caress. Through the noise, through the pain, shake the wood, tame the grain. Edge of chaos, craft and toil, dreams of fire etched in soil. Through the noise, through the pain, shake the wood, tame the grain. Edge of chaos, craft and toil, dreams of fire etched in soil. Day ends but work's not done, echoes loud, machines still hum. Silent prayers to the gods of craft, beneath the moon we cut and graft. Battle scars on the hands, victory in sawdust lands. Pressure tight, creations rise.